The TRX software has comprehensive graphing capabilities for both real-time and stored data. TRX saves graphed data in the DLF4 file format. There are user-selectable settings that can be set to allow for a custom default configuration. From the Graphs view, click All Graphs and then click Default Settings. In the General tab, there are similar controls for backed up or stored data graphs as there are for real-time graphing. The main title and subtitle fields have a wizard that allows you to select various information for inclusion in the titles. Simply click the wizard button, double-click the entry you wish to add to the field and click Accept. In the Lines Defaults tab, you can select the line color and style of the data lines in the graph. The lines are labeled by number in the order they will be used. If the graph has one line of data, number 1 color and style will be used. If there are 2 lines of data, number 1 and 2 will be used and so forth. Click OK on the bottom of the window and the settings will be saved. Close the TRX software and restart it to make the changes take effect. From the Graphs view, click Open Graph and select a file from the ones previously saved on the computer or a network folder if applicable. Right-clicking on an open graph will display additional controls that can enhance the graphing functionality. Add Comment allows you to type a comment on the graph. Copy Graph to Clipboard allows you to capture the graph image for pasting into other applications. Compound Lines allows for selecting external formulas to apply to the graph to further process the dataset. Box Zoom allows selecting the box zoom function rather than the more common horizontal zoom function. Zooming is accomplished by holding down the left mouse button and dragging the mouse to highlight the period of interest. Releasing the left mouse button will zoom in on the highlighted area. Stack or overlay axes allow you to split the data into separate graphs with their own single y-axis, or graph all the data on one graph with multiple y-axes displayed on the left. Modify Graph opens the graph control for the individual graph displayed. The Lines tab allows for selecting which lines from the data set will be displayed in the graph, as well as selecting the line colors and style. The Axis tab allows you to set a manual y-axis scale or have the graph auto-scale. The number of decimal places can be set in the Format control. The Alarm Lines tab allows for selection of any of the channel alarm lines that you wish to display on the graph as well as their respective colors and style. You can display a precise zoom by selecting the start and end times of the period of interest. Clicking OK at the bottom of the window will save the settings as default. Close the TRX software and restart it to make the changes take effect. The displayed DLF4 graph has a table view option as well as a statistical analysis option. The analysis option can be tailored to specific statistics as required. The Report button allows for one click to document the contents of the analysis view in a printable report. You can print to PDF as well. TRX can merge or combine graphs on the same plane, for comparison and correlation of data. TRX can concatenate files. Files that are contiguous can be appended to produce a continuous plot maintaining channel line color and style. All combined graphs can be saved as a single file for later retrieval and use. The data can be converted to other formats as well. All ACR Systems products come with free technical support for the life of the product. Please visit acrdatasolutions.com for more information and videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for visiting ACR Systems.